See how Honda's Motocompacto scooter unfolds, step by step. Go from funny-looking briefcase to rideable electric scooter in less than a minute. There is a lot to cherish about the new Honda Motocompacto. It presents to 12 miles of reach at speeds up to 15 miles per hour in a cool-looking bundle that weighs a little more than 40 pounds. Additionally, as we tracked down in our survey, it's very enjoyable to ride as long as the streets or pathways you're on aren't excessively rough. Furthermore, discussing bundle, the Honda Motocompacto's featuring stunt is not too far off in its name. It can shrewdly minimize itself into a structure factor not a lot bigger than the typical portfolio in manners no other e-bicycle or bike can coordinate. There is an engaging thing about a vehicle that can be handily removed from a trunk, conveyed, and afterward ridden around regions where driving or helpfully leaving a vehicle may not be practical. While the facts confirm that the Motocompacto is not really the first supposed last-mile vehicle to offer that capacity, it does so more inexpensively and more compactly than most other last-mile EVs. All in all, exactly the way in which versatile is the Motocompacto. It probably won't be quickly clear the way that the Honda changes over starting with one structure then onto the next by simply checking it out. Luckily, preparing the Motocompacto into torridy structure, and back, rushes to do. Here is a bit-by-bit overview, beginning from the Motocompacto's collapsed structure, so track. Step 1. Pull up the handlebar post. After first lowering the kickstand, so you can complete the rest of the steps without the Motocompacto falling over, the first real step in the process is the handlebars deployment. Push in the small latch located toward the rear of the Motocompacto, where the notched top corner is, and while keeping that latch pressed, pull up the handlebar post by the carrying handle until it's vertical and you hear it click into place. Release the clamp on the handlebar post so you can extend it to the desired height, then re-clamp it once it's in your sweet spot. Step 2, deploy the handlebars. Once the handlebar post is up, locate the latch on the neck of the handlebars just beneath the LCD screen and pull it down. Now you can rotate the handlebars into place horizontally, so that they can be used to steer. Then, push the latch back up to secure the handlebars so that they won't fold back down while riding. Step 3, attach the seat. With the handlebars swung up and out of the Honda's compartment area, you should see the seat hiding down in there. Remove it, fold the seat cushion flat, and use the latch on the seat post to secure it into place. Then simply insert the whole assembly, via the seat post, into the slot located toward the back of the storage area until it clicks into place. Step 4, deploying the rear wheel. Locate the black wheel release lever. Its location is opposite the kickstand side of the vehicle, on its right side. Pull the lever out toward you, then rotate it to the right to unlock the rear wheel. In the photo above, it's visible in the lower left corner of the Motocompacto's body. Once the lever is fully in the unlocked position, grab the rear wheel by its cover and slide it out the back of the white scooter body all the way. Once the rear wheel is fully extended, return the wheel release lever to its locked position. Step 5, pull out the foot pegs. You're almost ready to ride. Just pull out the foot pegs on either side of the Motocompacto. Chances are you're probably tall enough that your feet can't hang free while sitting on this thing, so the foot pegs are the best place to put your feet while riding. With that, your Motocompacto is fully deployed and ready to ride. It may take a few tries at first, but once you get the hang of it you'll be able to deploy the Motocompacto in no time. We've seen the whole process demonstrated in fewer than 30 seconds. Choose your mode. With your Motocompacto is fully deployed and ready to go, all you need to do is turn it on by pushing the small circular power button below the LED screen. When you turn it on, the Motocompacto defaults to Mode 1, which limits top speed to 10 miles per hour and requires you to push off and get the scooter rolling before the motor kicks in. Double press the power button to switch to Mode 2 and unlock the 15 mile per hour top speed and standing takeoffs. Safety measures. You might be concerned about the Motocompacto accidentally getting away from you while you're unfolding it. Fortunately, there are sensors in the folding mechanisms of the Motocompacto ensuring that even if you manage to accidentally power it on while deploying it, no power will go to the motor, even if you accidentally hit the accelerator. When you do power it on, it will default to mode 1 on startup, and, again, no power is sent to the motor when the Honda is not in motion, which means you'll have to manually kick off before you can use the throttle. Don't forget to wear a helmet. Putting the Motocompacto in briefcase mode. Once your ride is over and you're ready to put your Motocompacto in your car or carry it up to your office, folding it back to its briefcase mode is just as easy as unfolding it. Just put the kickstand down, and do the steps in reverse order. Note that when folding the seat, there is a special slot in the storage area for the top of the seat so it can fit neatly. Once that's done, the handlebars can neatly fold on top of it. Before you know it, the Motocompacto will be literally folded into a neat little package. Just lift it up by the handle and hoist it into your car's trunk or cargo area, or into your house, for storage.